Yeah, for sure, this is our year. We started on the best foot forward, and definitely we're going to execute the year on the same foot we started. So we're just moving forward. If you ask me, things have improved a lot. It's the time of the year when we didn't really expect much spectators or racers, and just coming out of the holiday seasons and all the festivities. But persons came out and supported it. We had over 110 cars out here competing, and they certainly did put on a good show. Everybody participated and worked with us. They really helped us to keep the meet efficient. They accommodated our requests, and we really appreciate about that. So thank you for all the racers coming out here today and the spectators for supporting the event. Drag Rivals 1 is in the books, that this one is World War 3, so we're kicking off 2020. Right.
I still don't know my plan for him. 400,000 he make me spend the last race. The plan for him, Bossy, I pay a blank shot to give him there. But I just racing. 1876 every time, up top. Big up.
Again, we have to just thank our main sponsors, 876 Streets, What Performance, for always being there and helping us, to get everything together. We did some internal restructuring to the Kenty Racing Group, and as you can see, we came out today in top form where we held it together. The track prep was superb as usual, and we delivered on our side of the bargain. So we're just asking for your continued support throughout the year. We look forward to keep growing and bettering our craft, and promoting and organizing one of the best drag racing events that Jamaica has ever seen. So as we move forward, we just ask for your support, and if you came out today, we thank you for your support. So we're looking forward to a great season and the next event on the 29th of March, and the following events, as you know, is the last Sunday of every other month for the year. So we have 5 more events on the racing calendar for this year, so we look forward to bigger and better things. So get your team memberships registered by the 29th of March, which is a three-member team, as you'll be competing for point championships at the end of the year at $250,000 cash prize. So we know that will definitely bring some racers out, those who have set aside racing for now. At least there's a payout that you can look forward to. So come on out and support, and we'll continue to deliver. So again, big up 876 Streets, always our sponsors, RXL Logistics, What Performance, Elite Lifestyle. Those guys from out of St. Elizabeth really came and stepped up and gave us a really good helping hand here today, where we had not one glitch or delay throughout the day. They were wrapped up this event by 3 o'clock. So that's a good start for the year, and we continue to improve and take the recommendations and suggestions from our fellow racers and continue to deliver on our end. So thanks again, everybody, and we really appreciate it. Travel safe if you came down today, and you'll definitely see me soon again. 876 Streets, big up.
Like this.